Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to discuss about a very common issue that many of my subscribers are facing. So that is when they are just simply want to connect with our SQL server, they are getting this error message. So it says encryption was enabled on this connection, review your SSL and certificate configuration for the target SQL server or enable trust server certificate. So if you read this error message itself is giving you a solution. So it is telling to enable this trust server certificate. So just enable that, alright. So it's not a big deal. So you come out from this and you just check this trust server certificate and just simply click on connect. That's going to resolve your issue. How simple it is. So that's how you resolve this very simple issue. If you are interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow this playlist. So all these videos are completely free and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So do check out our other videos as well. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.